Hey guys, today I'm gonna be creating this yellow half-cut crease eye look with a gold accent. So if you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. For this look I used the California Love palette from Colourpop. The first shade that I used is Sequoia, which is a orangey yellow color, and I placed that on the outer V of my eyelid area, and I also put a little bit in the crease once I had less product on my brush. Then I just continued to build up that color on the eyelid and in the crease area. Next up I took the shade Gold Rush, which is a darker orange shade with some gold specks in it, and I used that on the outer V of my eyelid area to deepen up the area. You'll see here that I went back into the yellow shade because I wanted the darkness that the orange provided, but I wanted it to be a predominantly yellow eye look, so I went back and forth between the two shades until I got the depth that I wanted, but still predominantly yellow. Then I went in with some concealer on a tiny brush and I created this half-cut crease. Finally, I just tapped out the concealer with my finger to ensure that it was blended with the yellow. Next up is the shade Gnarly, which is the color that's gonna go everywhere I just put the concealer, so that's gonna be my lid shade. Then I took a mix of Sequoia and Gold Rush to blend out the edges between the Gnarly shade and the outer corner. Then I took an angled brush and I wet it with some setting spray because I'm gonna be creating this gold liner with the shade Crease from the palette. And I'm gonna be placing it around the edges of the concealer so it creates a sort of liner accent effect. On my bottom lash line I have Sequoia all over, and on the outer third of the lower lash line I took some of the Gold Rush shade. Finally, I added a couple of coats of mascara. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video.